Teaching in VR is a performance, a blend of art and poetry. Art installations can have educational value. And here an art installation has been adapted as an icebreaker about what a student's best day ever would be. A day with Bob Marley apple pie on a beach. To take a series of installations is to make a poem. And in our virtual world, our poem isn't just limited to 2D manipulation, but 3D, and open to manipulation, rotation, and scale. That we can create a journey for our students and have it be epic, just like a really wonderful poem. Does this make sense? Is there a barrier? Perhaps we just need to go through it.